In this video, we will learn about how to create the YouTube thumbnails with the AI free of cost. So we will use the Chat GPT for creating the thumbnails because Chat GPT is the AI tool that provides the free facility for creating the thumbnail. So come on the ChatGPT. Click on GPT over here and search for dull.e and click enter. It will link for dull.e OpenAI legacy image generation model. Click on it. Just click on start chat and paste your thumbnail idea. So I am pasting my thumbnail idea, like make thumbnails in seconds. Okay, so what I will do over here, make full HD YouTube thumbnail in 1920 x 1080 resolution. You need to type this line for this one. Okay, so what it will do, make full HD YouTube thumbnail in 1920 into 1080 resolution for title, make thumbnail seconds. So I am creating the thumbnail for this video that I am creating. So you will subscribe over here, click on it. Okay, so it is generated the prompt for this. So whatever this tool understood, so let us learn it. I will design a 1920 and 1080 YouTube thumbnail for your video title, make thumbnails in seconds. Okay, so here we will include the thumbnail design, tight eye catch, large text bold. Okay, stopwatch or clock symbol to emphasize speed, a computer screen with the thumbnail template visible to suggest editing and design, vibrant arouse or glow effects to make it stand out. So let's generate it for you. Okay, so generated this a variant, a vibrant and eye-catching YouTube thumbnail in 1920 resolution with the bold large text thumbnail seconds. The design should feature a stopwatch icon, a computer screen with the thumbnail template like this. So this generated this text. So what is it? Would you like to go ahead and generate these two thumbnails options for you? Just we need to enter over here yes. So we have reviewed our thumbnail idea, whatever this tool suggested. It is now generating the thumbnail. Just 2 seconds left. It is generated the thumbnail. Okay, so it is generated 2 thumbnails. So I will download both and show you. I have downloaded the first thumbnail. One second. Click on download. I have downloaded it. Click on second as well. Downloaded it as well. Now click on it. Now it is generated the thumbnail for the video thumbnails in seconds. Okay, I hope you like this video. Guys, you like the video, comment on the video for the latest whatever you want. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.